Facial recognition AI is getting insanely good. It can identify you from old photos, your Instagram selfies, sometimes even blurry footage. And what if I told you there's sites where if a single image of you is uploaded, it can pull out the rest of the photos you uploaded all over the internet? And an example is Clearview AI. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. This is the only way YouTube can recognize and recommend this video to others. Clearview AI is one in this space. Their system scraped billions of images from platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and even random websites, often without permission. Using these massive datasets, Clearview built a facial recognition engine capable of matching a single photo to a huge number of images connected to the same face across the web. Law enforcement agencies in several countries have used it for investigations, and its accuracy has been reported to work even with low-quality, partial, or poorly lit images. The scary part, Clearview doesn't just find your social media pictures. It can trace your online history, discover where your face has appeared, and connect accounts you thought were separate. It shows how powerful, invasive, and unregulated facial recognition technology has become, and how one image is now enough to map your entire digital footprint. In the right hands, this technology can be incredibly helpful. But in the wrong hands, like scammers, bad actors, or black hat hackers, it becomes extremely dangerous. But don't panic. There are ways to fool it, and you can still protect your digital life. Today, we're looking at a method called cloaking, a technique that lets you distort your photos just enough so that facial recognition systems struggle to identify you. For this process, one of the tools used is SandLab-developed tool Fawkes, a popular cloaking software designed to subtly alter your images in ways that disrupt facial recognition models. Not by hiding your face, but by confusing the algorithm behind the scenes. Let's see how cloaking with Fawkes. Cloaking works by slightly modifying your face in images, the shape, texture, even the micro features that AI depends on. To the human eye, you look the same. To the algorithm, it's a completely different person. If someone tries to use these modified images as training data, the AI learns a distorted version of your face. So later, when it tries to match your real face, it fails. Because cloaking alters the exact patterns the AI uses to understand who you are, the algorithm ends up holding a corrupted version of your identity. Even advanced systems struggle to link your real face to your cloaked uploads. Facial recognition is everywhere. Airports, city cameras, social platforms, even apps you use daily. And while the technology can be useful, it also raises huge privacy concerns. Cloaking gives individuals a way to push back, a way to protect themselves from unwanted tracking, mass surveillance, and automated identity matching. If enough people use cloaking, it even challenges the reliability of large-scale recognition systems and forces a serious conversation about how AI should be used. Cloaking isn't just for experts. It's valuable for people worried about digital privacy, activists or journalists in high-risk environments, anyone who wants more control over how their images are used in AI systems, or simply anyone curious about how we can defend ourselves in an era of machine surveillance. AI is powerful, but not unbeatable, and cloaking is one way to push back and protect your identity in a world where every photo matters. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe for more AI and cybersecurity insights.